Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a Roku device. Today we'll be using a Roku Express. Here on the main screen you'll see let's get started, and we're going to choose English as our language. This next step here is going to have you connect to your network. So all you have to do is find your router name and put your password in and hit connect. Here's going to give you an option to auto detect display settings, and you will hit that option there. Today we're just going to choose OK, go to automatic, so it's automatically going to choose what the correct display for your screen is. You will check your screen, and if everything looks good, you will hit yes, screen looks good. Here in this step it's going to give you a URL, and you will put that in your browser and then put the code in. On the browser it's going to give you two options. If you already have an account, then you will just put in your account information, or you will have to create a new one. The next thing it's going to have you do, it's going to have you name your device. I'm just going to keep it stock, but you can always change it to whatever name. If it's in the living room or in the bedroom, you can always change that. And then after that, it's going to ask you a series of questions. And here on the screen, you'll see it'll say channel update. So it's going to be installing some of your channels and getting your device up and running. The last screen on your web browser gives you an option to download a Roku remote. So in case you lose your Roku remote, then you will have a secondary one on your phone. And then it gives you some tips and tricks, and it'll give you an option to learn more. And now we have finally reached the end of the setup process. Now it will say all done. I will hit OK on the remote, and it's going to give you an intro to your Roku player. Now before I conclude this video, I want to show you where you can go to download some additional channels. So here you will be on the main page. You will go down to streaming channels and click OK. Here I'll give you featured, new and notable, just added, most popular, top free, cable alternatives. Here, if you have a specific channel you are looking for, you will search for it here where it says search channels. If this video has helped you out, please hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And for similar videos like these, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.